Over the past 4 weeks, one thing that I noticed about myself would be that I'm getting better at holding a conversation with others, be it my friends and family or strangers. And one thing that wasn't there before would be the amount of thought that goes into thinking about how to continue the conversation and trying to learn more about the other person. And the impact of this discovery is that every time I have a new conversation with people, it feels like I'm playing a game and practicing on how to improve myself from the last conversation that I had. And this helped me to feel more confident in myself, especially when I'm speaking with others for the first time.
Throughout these 4 weeks, I've noticed that now I'm more aware of my mental state and the ways I communicate with other people. Being more conscious of my mental state now, it allows me to relax more as well as to carry out mindful practices such as meditation, humming practices, or even decluttering my workspace. Also, when communicating with people now, I practice active listening. I realize that this allows me to have higher engagement as well as rapport during a conversation. The thing that I've discovered that wasn't in my routine before would be the 52-17 method. Previously, I would do my work for a long period of time without resting, and I realized that will cause me to have a burnout easily and not feel motivated the next time round to start on anything at all. This is something that I will continue adopting during the school term as well as in my future work life.
So for the impacts on myself, I feel less scared talking to strangers now compared to before, and I feel more productive throughout my working period.
Lastly, I would like to express my appreciation towards Delphine and Kitrin for organizing this skill step for all of us, and I think it's really useful. Thank you very much and have a good day, everyone.